Did you know that green tea has been consumed for centuries in Asia, revered for its potential health benefits? For years, I dismissed it as just another beverage, unaware of the transformative power it held. This ancient elixir, with its vibrant green hue and subtle earthy aroma, seemed too simple, too ordinary to hold the key to a healthier life. Little did I know that my perception was about to change dramatically. It all began with a casual conversation with a colleague who swore by the health benefits of green tea. Intrigued, yet skeptical, I decided to delve deeper into the world of this ancient beverage. My research led me down a rabbit hole of scientific studies and anecdotal evidence, all pointing towards the remarkable health-promoting properties of green tea. I learned that green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are believed to protect our cells against damage from harmful free radicals. Could this simple beverage truly live up to its reputation as a health elixir? I was determined to find out for myself. With a mix of curiosity and cautious optimism, I embarked on my own green tea journey. My journey began with a single cup of green tea every morning. The taste, initially unfamiliar and slightly bitter, grew on me over time. I started noticing subtle yet significant changes in my overall well-being. One of the most noticeable changes was an increase in my energy levels. Gone were the midday slumps that had become a regular part of my routine. My sleep quality improved dramatically as well. I was sleeping more soundly and waking up feeling refreshed and energized. The caffeine in green tea provided a gentler, more sustained energy boost without the jitters. These changes motivated me to continue incorporating green tea into my daily life. Incorporating green tea into my daily routine was surprisingly easy. I started by replacing my morning coffee with a cup of freshly brewed green tea. The ritual of preparing the tea, from warming the pot to steeping the leaves to perfection, became a calming and meditative experience. To ensure I always had green tea on hand, I purchased a stylish thermos that kept my beverage hot for hours. This allowed me to enjoy the benefits of green tea throughout the day, whether I was at work, running errands, or simply relaxing at home. Experimenting with different varieties of green tea added an element of excitement to my routine. From the classic sencha to the more delicate gyokuro, each type offered a unique flavor profile and aroma. I found myself looking forward to trying new varieties and discovering my personal favorites. Green tea became more than just a healthy habit. It evolved into an enjoyable ritual that punctuated my day with moments of calm and rejuvenation. Section 4. Overcoming the initial hurdles. Like any new habit, my green tea journey wasn't without its initial challenges. The taste of green tea, though refreshing, took some getting used to compared to the bold flavors of coffee I was accustomed to. There were days when I craved the familiar comfort of a strong cup of coffee, tempted to abandon my newfound green tea routine. However, the positive changes I had already experienced motivated me to persevere. To make the transition smoother, I experimented with different brewing methods and added natural sweeteners like honey or stevia until I found the perfect balance of flavor. I also discovered that adding a squeeze of lemon or a few mint leaves enhanced the taste and aroma of my green tea, making it even more enjoyable. These minor adjustments helped me overcome the initial hurdles and fully embrace green tea as a delicious and essential part of my daily life. Section 5. A Transformation Unveiled. As weeks turned into months, the subtle changes I had initially noticed transformed into significant health improvements. My energy levels remained consistently high, my sleep quality continued to improve, and I felt an overall sense of well-being I hadn't experienced before. One of the most remarkable changes was the positive impact on my digestion. Green tea, I learned, aids in digestion and promotes gut health. I no longer experienced the bloating and discomfort that had plagued me for years. My skin also underwent a noticeable transformation. The antioxidants in green tea are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which helped reduce redness and blemishes, leaving my skin looking clearer and more radiant. These positive changes went beyond the physical. I felt sharper, more focused, and my concentration improved significantly. My mood lifted, and I found myself approaching each day with a renewed sense of optimism and energy. Section 6. Embark on your green tea adventure. My journey with green tea has been nothing short of transformative. This simple beverage has not only improved my physical health, but also enhanced my overall well-being. leaving me feeling energized, focused, and healthier than ever before. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to improve your health, I encourage you to embark on your own green tea adventure. Start with a cup a day and experience the subtle yet powerful benefits for yourself. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is best taken one step at a time. Start small, experiment with different varieties and brewing methods, and find what works best for you. Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your own green tea discoveries and how this ancient beverage has transformed your life.